Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. We just finished up this 1972 Mitchell Motorhome project with a full drive conversion kit from Kincer chassis and stuffed a 7.3 Powerstroke under the hood. In this episode, Chris, the owner, is going to come pick it up, so we're going to get his reactions when he sees it for the first time. We're going to give him a walk around, kind of show him everything we did, and then we're going to go take it for a test drive and see how it drives. So stick around for that. Chris arrived in style.
Well, did I show up in enough class to pick the motorhome up?
I think he showed up in the exact right vehicle. How's it going?
Good, man. How about you?
Yep. All right, well, let's go walk around this thing. See what you think.
Dude, this thing turned out so freaking good. It's hard to, like, you can see everything in the pictures and whatnot, but it's hard to, like, really justify how well it turned out,
yeah,
like, in person. I can't wait to drive it.
I think we're going to do that a little bit later.
That bumper's actually pretty nice.
Yeah. The water spots polished off of it. I tried to wash the dust off, but I thought it's kind of pointless.
Yeah, I mean, I got a little dusty coming out here.
Yep.
I started to tell you, I tried to keep the dust down when I got here, but you know.
It's impossible.
Yeah.
We're pretty dry right now, so it just instantly turns everything to dust.
Dude, this is awesome. I love it. Those shifters look right in there too, you know. Brandon did a hell of a good job with that.
They're not the factory, but they think they look right at home in there.
Yeah.
You know?
Well,
they don't look out of place.
Keeping the same style highboy four-wheel drive shifter and just doing the different ball for the 4407 really pulls it together. You can't even tell really that that's not the factory. It's not the factory radio.
Yeah, it turned out really nice. You reused the original knobs.
That's a good detail, yeah.
I think that helps a lot with that.
Well, aftermarket radios just have kind of cheesy knobs.
Yep.
You know I want to pop the hood, right?
Yeah.
I bet I had six or seven people every time we'd stop have to mention something about my truck. I can't wait going home.
Yeah. I think it might be 6 or 7 times worse.
Oh, yeah. That looks right at home, does it not? That's badass.
Yep. It packaged really nice.
It fits in there so well for it being such a big motor.
Yep.
I mean,
no firewall modifications, and I mean we're pretty close here on the fan, but I mean.
Well, Cody was actually fairly surprised. He's like, "Man, I don't know if that's gonna fit."
Yeah.
I'm like, I don't. They LiDAR scanned it and said it fit, so we'll see. And I think he was worried about it because it was like so far away from the firewall.
Oh yeah.
And he's like, there's so much room at the firewall. So I think he sets his motors back quite a bit further.
Yep.
I mean, 6 1/2 dozen the other. They both work real good. So.
We're talking about Cody, the guy that did the standalone system on this. He has a highboy engine mounts to mount a 7.3 Powerstroke in highboys. So that's what we're talking about there. He helped out a lot with this project. The intercooler mount was his.
Have you seen his blue truck he just finished?
I did.
That thing's sweet
really
too.
Nice.
Yeah. Yeah, he's this is kind of his design here too, for mounting the intercooler. He was pretty instrumental in like helping with a lot of the technical details because he's just put so many 7.3s in this body style truck. A lot of those like random questions that would have taken us forever to figure out, Cody was like, "Oh yeah, just use this part."
Yep.
So that helped tremendously.
And he has a part for the hydraulic clutch, so we use that, and the throttle.
Yeah, throttle pedal.
Yep. Makes it easy when you can just get something pre-made and pre-engineered and just bolts right up and works. So
absolutely.
Helps a lot with us. Those little projects like that sometimes eat up a lot of time whenever you got to do custom all the time.
They absolutely
There's plenty of custom on this thing.
Yeah, any relief we could get on that was a great help.
Yep.
Oh, those airbag mounts really turned out well too.
Yeah. Yeah, they're packaged in there nice as well, especially on the other side with the exhaust.
I was going to say, I think I'm more impressed with how well the exhaust fits with how little room there actually is for there to be an exhaust there.
Yep.
I know when you messaged me and I was like, I really don't want it to dump out in front of the wheel, you were like, oh man.
I tried to go the easy route and dump it out in front of the wheel, but Chris said no, so he made me put it out the back, which it turned out nice.
Yeah, it was well worth the effort that you put in to do that. Man, diesel engines just put so much soot on the wheels,
Yeah.
but like that just looks so much more like it's supposed to be there. I like it. All right, can we hear this thing run? Let's
Fire
fire
it
this thing up. I'm gonna shut the door. Yeah, I'm so glad we built this thing. This thing's pretty badass, I'm not gonna lie.
Certainly different than the 390 that was in it, that's for sure.
Quite different.
A little bit more torque, a little bit more horsepower, a little bit more cool factor.
Yeah, it's pretty awesome. Matt, you did a hell of a job.
Thank you.
You did a hell of a job. Yeah, it's there's a lot of people that put a lot into this thing, but this wouldn't have happened without you building it. It only took me 2 years to convince you to do it.
Yeah, I know. Yeah, I don't normally do projects for other people. This is a very rare exception.
It's I think I wore him down. I just didn't relent until he said, "All right, fine, let's do it."
It helps that it was such a unique project. And
Awesome.
it kind of went back to my old diesel days with the 7.3 Powerstroke.
Man, it's been a long time. We were talking on the way up here. I'm like, man, it's got to be what, 15, 18 years?
Yeah, I don't know if it's been that long. Well,
It's been pretty close. I
Yeah.
mean, when 13.
probably scared to add the numbers up.
Yeah,
You're probably right.
Yeah. Time flies when you're having
Yep.
fun. Cool. I can't get over how well it rides. That's really good, I'm not gonna lie. I mean, you think about a four-wheel drive.
Yeah, compared to like a highboy.
Well, even my green truck that I drove up here in, I think it might be rougher than that truck. And that truck's two-wheel drive.
Yeah, it's got a lot of weight in the back too to kind of smooth stuff out.
That helps
a little bit.
That helps a ton, yeah.
But the front end is
I was
very.
gonna say it's got a lot of weight in the front too.
Yeah, that's true. Yeah, diesels tend to ride a little bit better because they got a little bit more weight.
It's honestly not as loud in this cabin as I thought it would be. I guess we can roll the window up, huh?
Yeah, we do have the air conditioner on.
I can tell what you mean by being a little top heavy.
Yep.
Take a little getting used to.
Well, this road's not very good either, so it doesn't help. No, it's the smoothest.
Well, it honestly, this thing's pretty smooth for these back like country roads like this.
Yeah.
Yeah, I think Kincer outdid themselves with this kit. It's nice. This will make you want to swap everything four-wheel drive.
When it's that easy, when everything just pretty much bolts on, there's a little bit of fabricating you got to do. But
yeah, as far as like the four-wheel drive swap and like what they've done with the Coyotes and the Godzillas, it really is just a swap.
yeah.
And of course you can do the FE too if you wanted to keep your original engine. Yeehaw. Matt wasn't kidding when Matt Mayer, he wasn't kidding when he said that 364 and a half would spool like that. That sucker spools fast.
His spool's really nice. It's pretty impressive. Of course, it's got a lot of cubic inches punching it to make it spool up.
Apparently, the difference in the 364 and a half and the 366 when you're running like a set of 205/30s like this is, it's like a lot smokier, a lot laggier, and it's really not that much bigger of a turbo. There's just something about that turbo. It's just like perfect for this setup.
Yeah.
And it helps that we went ahead and put an oil pump in it and stuff like that. That's kind of hard to be in a bad mood driving something like that.
It's hard to keep it not whistling. You know, you always want to hear that whistle.
That's it. Yeah, you just want to get in the throttle a little bit. It honestly cruises pretty good at 70.
Yeah. Get off of these K-County roads,
Yeah,
probably feel even better.
You'll be able to. I can't wait to get the travel all behind this thing.
Yeah.
Or that green truck. See, just see how well it tows. It's pretty clean too. There's not much smoke.
Yeah, unless you're just really dogging on it from down low, it's been really clean.
That's what I was trying to go for. I wanted, you know, like pretty clean power.
I don't know if you guys can see that through the little West Coast Junior mirror there. I think you got a good shot of that. It's pretty clean out. We're talking about the exhaust pipe. Diesel guys kind of gotta remember that not everybody on this channel is diesel guy. When we're talking about it being clean, you know, the diesel soot out the exhaust.
Yeah, I kind of forget about that kind of stuff sometimes.
Yeah.
It's like you get in the world and you just kind of think that everybody just knows what you're talking about.
Yeah. So how'd you think it drove?
I think it drove pretty badass. This is about the coolest motorhome, especially bump side motorhome that there is.
Yeah.
I think it turned out, honestly, probably better than I thought it was going to turn out.
I'm really happy with it.
I mean, you have this vision of what you want to build, and you can usually make it come true, but like, it's hard to do that sometimes.
Yep.
This, I think, exceeded my expectations of how badass it turned out. It's like everything came together. It's like, where do you find another vintage Ramsey winch bumper and stuff like that? You know, It's just like, it just worked.
And the Warren looks great on there too.
Yeah, I mean, you can't go with anything but a stand-up Warren.
And the KC lights. We had a few comments about the KC lights and how retro cool they are. So.
Yeah, I mean, to going with anything else would have just been kind of he wouldn't have been right. Yeah, man. Love it. I love it.
All right, guys. Well, that's another one finished up and out of the shop. Took a year to get this one done, but I'm glad to have it knocked out for Chris to get out and enjoy it and take it on some adventures. I think he's going to take it on some shows this year, and hopefully you guys can see it out there on the show circuit and get to meet Chris and check out the motorhome. But thanks, guys, for sticking around on this. I hope you enjoyed this project. I'm going to get back after the next one. See you guys later. Thanks.